are the girl for me. Hey Pete, you know that you make me so horny. What? Yeah, I said it. Tried to call you before, but I lost my nerve. Tried my imagination, but I was disturbed. Yeah, I got your number. Why make you mine? Can I call your number? 8675309. I got it.